How to create link or URL for your video and photo without any app. So if you want to create a link or URL for your video or photo without any application, then just open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. Once you're here, you just need to simply go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Mediafire. Once you search, go with the Mediafire, which is on the first. Tap on that, and here you will have upload files now option. Tap on upload files. Now you just need to simply go with my files. Tap on my files, or you just need to simply tap on the left side of your page and then tap on the download or upload option, which is on the upper left. And from here, you just need to simply on the middle of your page to browse media to upload, and go with the media picker, which is on the bottom, and simply choose the image. Once you choose the image, it will start verifying, and once it has been verified, here on the photo or on your video, you will have copy link option. Tap on copy link, and now the link to the photo or video has been copied to your clipboard. And now you can simply go and share that. So you can remove that and then open up your WhatsApp, Messenger, anything that you're comfortable with, and go with the chat where you would like to send. And now you just need to simply paste the link and then tap on send. If you tap on it, then it will take you to that photo. You can go and download that image or video, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.